Hey everyone, welcome back to Once Motivation Chance. I'm Alison.
And I'm Leona. Thanks for joining us again. Today, we're going to have a fun and simple talk about something we all experience every single day, the weather.
Yes, the weather affects our mood, our plans, even the way we dress. So, Leona, how's the weather today where you are?
Oh, it's really sunny here today. The sky is clear and there's a soft breeze. I love days like this. They make me feel fresh and happy. What about you, Allison?
It's actually cloudy here. It looks like it might rain soon. I kind of enjoy rainy days though. They make everything calm and peaceful. In.
That's true. Rainy weather is so relaxing. I like sitting near the window with a cup of coffee when it rains. It feels so cozy.
Exactly. But sometimes too much rain can be annoying, like when you have to go out and everything gets wet.
Haha, yes. Especially when your shoes get soaked. But still, I think every type of weather has its own charm.
You're right. For example, sunny days are great for outdoor activities, like going for a walk, playing sports, or just enjoying time with friends.
Yes, but sometimes too much sun can make you tired or even sunburned. That's when I prefer cloudy days. They feel calm and comfortable.
Totally agree. And what about winter? Do you like cold weather, Leona?
Oh yes, I love winter. I enjoy wearing warm clothes, drinking hot chocolate, and feeling that cool air on my face. What about you?
I like winter too, but only when it's not too cold. Sometimes when the temperature drops too much, I just want to stay in bed all day.
I like winter too, but only when it's not too cold. Sometimes when the temperature drops too much, I just want to stay in bed all day.
That's so true. Every season has something beautiful. Sunny summer days, colorful autumn leaves, snowy winter nights, and the fresh feeling of spring. Haha, same here. But I think winter has a special feeling, especially during holidays. Everything feels peaceful and quiet.
Spring is my favorite season. The flowers start to bloom, the weather gets warmer, and everything feels new again.
Yes, spring brings positive energy. I always feel more active and creative in springtime.
Allison, have you ever noticed how weather can change our mood?
Oh, definitely. When it's sunny, people smile more. When it's rainy or cloudy, some people feel sleepy or lazy.
Exactly. Weather really affects our emotions. That's why I try to find something good in every kind of weather, even in storms.
That's a great attitude, Leona. I think that's a good lesson for everyone. Just like life, weather changes all the time, and we can't control it. But we can control how we feel about it.
Well said, Allison. So, listeners, next time you wake up and see the weather, whether it's sunny, cloudy, rainy, or cold, try to enjoy it. Find something positive in it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon so you never miss our next talk.
Thank you for listening to Once Motivation Chance. Stay happy, stay positive, and enjoy the weather, whatever it may be.
See you all next time. Bye, everyone.